Hello everyone, so today is going to be a change because I am going to be vlogging today and not my father. So now today we are going to go pick up our new puppy. So actually we had planned on getting him some weeks or months before. So actually no, we're going to be getting a German Shepherd. He's how many old is he? How old?
He's 40 days old.
Okay, he's 40 days old. So actually we were supposed to get him on Monday, but then a change of plan occurred, and so we are going to go get him today. I am very excited and I cannot contain this excitement any longer. What about you, Ma?
I'm also very excited.
Tell Ma.
Hi, I'm going to pick him up and we are really excited because it was a sudden plan which happened now. We had decided to get him on Monday or the coming Saturday, but as the breeder is getting some more pups from some other place, he's not having enough place to take care of them. So he's asked us to come and pick it now.
I'm so excited.
So we are going to get him. We are excited and sort of
Afraid.
Can't say afraid, but it's a bit.
It's a new change for us.
Sudden decision, no? So
Yes.
we were not prepared, but let's see what happens. Guys, now we are at the breeder's house. We are going to pick up the pup.
Music. Oh my god, I'm scared. Hi everybody. Oh god, there's a cage open now.
They are inside, no?
Bayo.
We are a bit scared. Sure, take photo of all of them.
I'm going to show, not going to take a photo. So many other. Can you go there? You go there and take photo.
They are new dogs, yeah?
Hello everybody.
Idunagla?
Same dog. This only the new.
Idu. Ah, idu.
This is very beautiful. Oh my god, Mama, it's so cute.
Ivana?
Oh, Mama, it's so cute.
ஒரு 6-7 o'clock வைக்கிறதுக்குங்க.
Hello, Anshul? Anshul. Yeah, I reached. Hold on, Asano.
Okay. Well, look at him.
இது நீங்க vocal cord surgery பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. சிக்கன் தான் கொடுக்குறீங்கல்ல நீங்க மட்டன் கொடுக்குறீங்களா?
இல்ல இப்போ beef start பண்ணி.
பீஃப் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணீங்களா? போடலாங்களா பீஃப்?
போடலாம்.
குளிக்க வைக்கிறது எவ்வளவு ஃப்ரீக்வென்ட்டா பண்றீங்க?
இப்போ நம்ம இப்போ குளிக்க வைக்காதீங்க. ரொம்ப ஒரு மாதிரி பேட் ஸ்மெல் இந்த குளிக்க வைங்க. இல்லனா குளிக்க வைக்காதீங்க.
என்ன ஷாம்பு போடுறீங்க?
நான் வந்து நார்மல் கிளினிக் ப்ளஸ் தான் போடுறேன்.
ஓகே.
அது மெடிகேஷன் ஷாம்பு பெட் ஷாப்ல
Beyond பண்ணோம் அந்த சவுண்ட்.
That is how it shouts.
Uncle.
ஹாய்.
Hello.
Okay, take its mom and dad.
This is its father, no?
Father is the second one then, Tyson.
Okay.
உங்களை கொஞ்சம் ட்ரபிள் பண்றோம், சாரி. உங்க அப்பா வந்து vlog பண்றாரு.
Oh my god, guys, he's literally so cute. And we have decided to name him Arya. He's very cute. Well, Mom, are you excited about the new
Of course,
dog?
I'm very excited. And let's see. Come.
I hope Papa also is happy. It's okay. You sleep. Good boy. Arya, your name is... Oh, it's okay. You don't like me talking? I won't talk. Arya, come. Arya, come. Come, Arya, come. Good boy. Come on, Arya. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, now I'm preparing food for Arya. So the food what I'm using is Royal Canin Maxi Starter. and this is the water which has been boiled, kept for cooling. So I just want it to be lukewarm. So what I'll do is I'll take around 2-3 scoops of this Royal Canin, put in his bowl, soak that in this lukewarm water, so that every grain of the Maxi starter swells up and becomes really soft. So it'll take around 15-20 minutes. After that, I'll keep this bowl in front of him. He'll have the food. Come, let's do that. This is the balcony which is attached to the living room, and this balcony I have turned into his den. That is the mat, pea mat. He is sleeping over there. Those two are his toys, and here he has got water bowl and food bowl, and the entire this balcony is totally covered with the aluminium grill. Yeah, as you saw in the earlier video clips, that this vlog was started by my daughter Sanvi Shekhar, and with love we call her as Sano. Yesterday they went to the breeder's house, which is in Kamunalli. My daughter and my wife, they went, they picked up a German Shepherd. It's a long coat show-line German Shepherd. Both his father and mother have won the championships. So it was a bit pricey for me. Anyway, I won't reveal the price, but I can tell you that it was a bit costlier for me to fetch this GSD puppy to our house. And yesterday, since I had appointments in the hospital, I couldn't accompany them. Only the mom and her mom and daughter had gone and got the German Shepherd. And I came back from the hospital and then I saw him. Yeah, he is really cute. And one of the decisions why we took German Shepherd was when I was in my college days, I had a German Shepherd at my place. So German Shepherds are really, what do you say, they are very protective of the family. At the same time, they guard the house also. So almost all the characters what a man expects to be there in a dog is there in German Shepherd, according to me. And that's one of my favorite breed. That's why we bought German Shepherd. And initially, this decision of getting a pet to our house was being contemplated from past, say, 2 years. As you know that I travel a lot, I do a lot of bike rides, and I do a lot of photography trips. That is my passion. Somehow I was not convinced to get a dog because it requires 24/7 attention, and we can't go out of this place. We can't go out any trips by leaving him alone. Somebody has to be there to take care, which I was not ready 2 years back. But I had to finally yield to my daughter's wish, because she is around 12-13 years now. This was the apt time for her to have a pet also, because she's growing and she's getting some responsibility. She said she'll take care of the dog along with us. So since she was ready to take care of the dog by herself, I agreed for that, and we bought the German Shepherd. And it's around 39-40 days old German Shepherd, and it weighs around 2.8 kilo. And the vaccinations, whichever has to be done after 45 days, after another 5 days. So this is a short video to show you guys that there is a new addition to our family, a German Shepherd puppy. And by the way, I didn't tell you, it's been named as Arya. I know Arya is a unisex name abroad, but in India Arya is mainly kept for boys. And the meaning of Arya is probably a noble, I think. And I like that Arya word a lot. I liked how it sounds, and I was not very keen on keeping names like Mac, Max, or Neo, Leo and all. I just wanted our Indian name to my German Shepherd. That's why Arya was chosen. And Arya sounds good, guys, according to me. So that's it. So in future videos you can see Arya in my videos a lot, and probably there will be many videos on him also in my YouTube channel. So that's it guys from my side. So we have a new addition to our family, German Shepherd puppy named Arya. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye bye.